Hey there, moms and dads too. So this is one of my little mom hacks that I have. It is summertime. We are doing activities left and right. It has been so much fun. But when we go on some car rides, and we have a couple plane rides coming up, but tomorrow we have a little car ride, and so I make these little Snackle boxes for my kids to keep them entertained. I don't know about you guys, but my kids, if they're eating snacks, then they aren't fighting or screaming or causing a ruckus. My boys are 4 and 5 years old, almost 6, and so they like snacks. They can like live off of snacks, you guys. But I made these little tackle boxes, and I put their names on a couple, and then I have a couple extras. You know, can't ever have enough snacks. But they have these really cool little dividers, and I just load this up with tons of different snacks, and it keeps them busy. And one thing that I really love about these is that I unpackage all the snacks and put them in here, so I don't have a bunch of garbage on an airplane, you know, all of the wrappers and garbage in the car. So all the wrappers, they're in the garbage at home, and I don't have to worry about them. Just have these little awesome containers. My kids seriously love these. They're perfect on airplanes. If you guys have like sporting events, swim team matches and stuff like that, these are perfect. Just keep the kids busy. And you can put in all of your kids' favorite snacks. You guys know I try and keep things as healthy as I can, but it's summertime, so we gotta have a little bit of a treat here and there. But I'm gonna load these up with all of our favorite snacks. We're gonna go on our little road trip tomorrow, and the boys will just be in the back seat just snacking away, and they won't be fighting. So I love it. So I'm just gonna load these up. I'll show you guys, and I hope that you enjoy this. Just a little kind of trick. I know it's not rocket science. I'm not the one that made this up, but it's just a little trick that I love if you guys have kids and you want to keep them busy and just not have a huge mess in the car of tons of wrappers. These are awesome. So I'm gonna get them all made up. All right, so these are so fun to make, you guys. And like I said, they're so perfect for road trips, so perfect for airplane rides. And so this summer we have a lot of little things we're doing. So these little snack packs, they really like save the day. Total mom hack if you ask me. But I love them, you guys. Everything just stays put in each little divided container, so they don't get all mixed up. You don't have to have like 100 little Ziploc baggies of all the different separate snacks. So these are like all of our favorites. So we are ready to go. Hope that you guys enjoyed this one. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Tons of meal prepping, tons of the boys are on summer break, so they will be jumping in on some videos coming up. So make sure you subscribe and check back often. Hope that you have a really, really great day. Leave me a comment if you have any questions at all, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.